Oh, hey, didn't see you there. What's up, YouTube? This is the Good Guy Joe coming at you with another video today. And today we'll be tackling the topic of YouTube. And so, we won't be talking about YouTube guidelines or specifically any violations within the community. No, today we'll be talking about how you can make it big on YouTube. How you can do it according to the big men themselves, the pros, the PewDiePies, the Logan Pauls, the Jake Pauls. I'll just put them in the thumbnail so I can get some views. Anyway, that's what we'll be tackling today, everyone. So let's get into this new video. One of the steps to becoming a successful YouTuber is to tackle trending topics. And so what I mean is basically if something makes headlines in the news, something significant, something memey, make a video on it because it's going to get you a lot of views because that's what everyone's going to be searching up on YouTube. Another thing I want to focus on is specialize your content. So I mentioned earlier rhyme style and ASMR Rift. Many of you might not have known him, but if you're a DBZ fan, I'm sure that you know of rhyme style and his Dragon Ball Z content. So he likes to focus on anything related to Dragon Ball Z. So with the recent release of Dragon Ball Super, he does analysis videos of every video. With the new Fighter Z coming out, he also did another video on that. He's done a plethora of videos on that. And also, what I would like to say is by specializing your content, you build yourself a very loyal audience because you become known as the DBZ guy. The final thing I would like to say is that when you're establishing your YouTube channel, it is of the utmost importance that you build a brand. And so what I mean by build a brand is it goes very much along with making a name of yourself, becoming known as the blank YouTuber. So what this involves is, take for example, the biggest YouTuber, 60 million subs, bless up PewDiePie. This guy, he has been building his brand for years upon years. The bro fist, the bro army. What? It's PewDiePie. Those types of things are very iconic and something that, you know, you instantly know, oh, that's PewDiePie. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Everyone have a great night. Peace off.